Buying your first home is exciting. You do tons of research, fill out some paperwork, and finally get to own your own house. But amidst all this, most homeowners make these 6 common HVAC mistakes that end up costing them thousands. Here's how. 1. Skipping regular maintenance. Many homeowners assume that if their HVAC system isn't making any noise, then it's fine. But the thing is, HVAC systems need routine inspections to stay efficient and safe. Small issues like dirty burners and worn belts quietly build over time, waiting to unleash chaos. Skipping regular maintenance won't save you money, it'll just delay problems until they're bigger and more expensive. 2. Setting the thermostat too aggressively. Consistently cranking your thermostat up or down won't heat or cool your home faster. It'll only force the system to run longer and harder. This increases energy usage, adds unnecessary wear, and creates uneven temperatures around the house. At Superior HVAC Services, we recommend steady adjustments because they're better for comfort and your system. 3. Blocked vents. Your furniture, rugs, and curtains are secretly blocking your vents without you noticing. When airflow is restricted, your system struggles to distribute air properly. That leads to hot and cold spots, extra strain on the system, and higher bills. 4. Ignoring filter changes. Filters don't just clean air, they protect the system. If you have a clogged or dirty filter in your HVAC system, it'll reduce airflow, cause the system to overheat, and lower your efficiency. In certain cases, it can also worsen the indoor air quality. 5. Wrong size system. Many Canadian homeowners either overestimate or underestimate the size of their house when it comes to buying an HVAC system. Oversized systems cycle on and off too frequently, wasting energy and reducing comfort, whereas undersized systems run constantly without reaching the desired temperatures. Both scenarios shorten your system's lifespan, reduce efficiency, and increase costs. 6. Ignoring early warnings. Strange noises, inconsistent temperatures, rising energy bills. These are often early signals, not annoyances to ignore. If you fail to address these small issues, you'll end up with bigger problems later, especially in winter. Which of these mistakes have you secretly made? Comment below.